Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you a crunchy recipe and I know you will love it. Let me ask, do you like chin chin? I'm sure you do. Then you will love this even better. No need for mixing, kneading, rolling or cutting. It's a shortcut to crunchy deliciousness. From the crunch to the spices and pepper taste so yummy. Let's make crunchy pasta. Get your farfalle pasta, vegetable oil, mixed spices, salt, and that's all you need for this recipe. Step 1. Get your water boiling, add your salt, and pour in your farfalle pasta. Let it cook, but don't overcook your pasta. It should be al dente. Then drain out all the water. Step 2. Heat up your pan and pour in your vegetable oil. Once it's hot, start frying your pasta. Make sure you keep mixing and flipping to avoid sticking together. Once you get that golden color, it's done. Pack all the fried pasta into a bowl. 3. While it's still hot, sprinkle all your mixed spices and mix together. Step 4. The crispy, crunchy farfalle pasta is cool and ready. So start eating, munching, till you are left with an empty jar or plate. Then make another bowl. It's so good. You can store it in your jar, in your bottle like this, or keep it in a sealed nylon, and you can have it at any time you like, at home, in the office, wherever you like. Do recreate this recipe. It's a simple, easy, delicious snack. Everyone around you will love and enjoy it. Keep watching Fofolicious to buy for more recipes. Thank you.